Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can use rating component in Material UI. So for that, just I use here box and typography from MUI material. Now I say here box component and I say typography variant equal to h4 and here I say MUI rating example and I just remove this. Now I say alignment of this should be center. Save this. Now if you see that we have such kind of output. Now what I do, I try to use rating component here. So I say rating Material UI and in this rating I close it like that, and you see that if I use it, we have this star type of rating that we want to use. So I say here margin to 3. You see, now I take here value equal to value that we want to check, and we can say rate and I say on change equal to I say handle rating. So I just create a state variable now, const value set value equal to use state. So here and so that is value. So I say here value that I want to use. So value here, handling here. Now I take function, I say const handle rating equal to, and here I have event. So I say set value equal to, we have to set it to event dot target dot value. Save this and I done this, and I can display this value here after rating also. So I br tag and I say rating value, and this is value. Save this, try to check this. You see we have 4 value, we have 5 value, we have 1 2 3 4 5, like that we have the values. And equal to large. Save this. Yeah, we have little bit large one. It should be half rating, so I can give here precisions also, and I can give this value to 0.5, like that. Save this, check this. You see, now I am able to do and half also, like that. But now we want to change color, so we see change color property also. How we can change the color? Size, we have 3 type of size: small, normal and medium and large. So large we are using by default is medium. Then we have to change the icon also, that we will change. But first of all I should see the, so nothing is mentioned here in website also, but we try to change the color. So I say S6, then I say color to, here I say error. Save this, refresh it. So now we are not able to change color. So we can change color with our icon, which we will set. We try to give icon. So I say icon equal to, here I will give my icon. One is empty icon that I give here. So these icon I need to select. So I go to Material UI and I say material icons, and here I just select a smiley icon. So we have 2 type of smiley icon, this and this. So I copy this one first and I go there and import this. Then I go for second one, so I import this one also. Save this. So we have a emotion icon. So main icon is this, so I say emoji icon, like that. Then I have more icon that is called insert emotion icon. So that icon I also insert here. Save this. So you see that we have a refresh it. You see we color this icons are changes now. So we have this color, this changing, and what I do here, I set here color, try to set a color, and I say the color is here error, that is red. Here also I say color equal to error. Save this. Yeah, you see now we have red color of icon, customize icon we may use. Okay, and we can change the color of these icon also, like that. Half we can select half also, like that. Now we also have a option default. I say default value, and I say default value is 3. Now I can give the property read only. So if I say read only, then I can't do any modification. You see that I can't do any modification. By default is 1. Why 1? I have to give default value to 3. So that value I give to 3, like that. Save this. No, we are not able to do this also. Yes, refreshing. We have default value to 3. If I say default value is 3.5, save this, and I need to refresh it, and you see that we have 3.5 also. Rating value we have to display here. So why this value is not coming? This is set value. We are changing here value. Okay, so I need to add it like that. Save this. Now try to display value undefined. I select this. Okay, not because read only is enabled, so I disable this read only. Save this, refresh it. Value is undefined. You see now value is coming. So initially values are undefined, but now the value is coming. You see this value is coming now. Initially the values are undefined, but the default value is here. I say default value is value, and here I set this value to 1. Save this. So initially we will have 1, and now we can update as per the requirement. Now one more thing we should have, if we want to highlight the selection icon only, then we can say highlight selected only. Save this. So it will select the value which you selected, like this. Suppose I selected 5, so it will select only 5. It would not select the starting value. You see 2.5, so 2.5 is selected. You see 2 is selected, 3.5 is selected, 2.5 is selected, 5 is selected. So before this are not selected because we have changed the highlight selected only. So it will select only the icon or emoji icon only that is selected, not before this. So you see that we have certain types of properties that we can use with rating also, and whatever the requirement of your application, you can use these rating in your application, whether it is read only or you can select only highlighted. And we have certain options also, and you see that we were not able to change this color, but we have used the customized icons and then we changed the color also. And we may use a star also. Star icons are also available. We can use a star icons also, and then we can give rating. And here you see that we have number of this is increasing, so they are using max value. By default is 5, so I can give here one more value. I say max equal to, and I say it is 10. Save this, and if you see the output, we have a 10. You see, for the requirement of your application, you can increase the maximum value also. And you see that we have used this highlighted selected only. Like that we have certain more properties also, so you can change those properties and use those property as per your requirement of your application. But the purpose of this video is just to give you an introduction that we have a rating component also, and that is inbuilt component, like we have other component in material UI also. It is beautiful also. You can use as per your requirement. You can change the icons, you can change the rating, you can change the maximum value, you can highlight the whatever you want to highlight. Means as per your requirement, you have a option for customization also. And I think you learned something from this video also. If you learn, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.